Hello muchachalates, and welcome to the channel. We're going to start off by priming the skin. We're taking care of the skin. I'm just wiping off my face with some witch hazel. Okay, so fast forward, I already did my brows, and now I'm going to just be priming my eyelids with the Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C12. Obsession. Okay, we're going to start off in our crease using the Juvia's Place Masqurade palette, and I'm taking the color Zulu and just pressing that into my crease. An obsession. As long as a treasure lent me from a obsession. Next, we're going to take the Fulani shade in the same palette, and we're going to use that as a transition color underneath Zulu to prepare us for the deepest color in the crease. Now we're going to take the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're going to use that dark brown to really define our crease and make it really dark. It's a good thing to remember that when doing your eyeshadow, with each color you want to use a different brush so that your colors don't get murky and look really nasty. So if you feel that you're losing color, go in with the color that you lost on the brush that you're only using for that color to make sure that you get a good color payoff. Obsession, obsession. Now when it comes to actually cutting your crease, it's really no way to explain it. You have to just watch and take your time. I have bigger eyelids, so it's easier for me to cut my crease. So for those of you who have hooded eyelids or smaller eyelids, I can do it on a client and record it and put it on YouTube. So if you want to see that, just comment below and let me know. As long as a treasure lent me from a obsession, obsession. Once you get your cut crease the shape that you want to go ahead and blend out the concealer as flat and as even as you can get it so that the eyeshadow you put on top will not crack. Now we're going to go into the Zulu palette and take that yellow shade right there, and we're going to focus that in the inner corner of our eyelid. Obsession, obsession, obsession. And remember that we always pat in our eyeshadow to get the best color payoff. Obsession, obsession. Now we're going to go back in with that dark shade from the 3502 palette, and we're going to smoke out the outer V. As long as I go back in with the first shade that we used, the Zulu shade, and we're going to put that in between the two colors, the yellow and the brown, and get them to blend very well together. After you finish getting your eyeshadow the way that you want it, it's time to move into eyeliner, and I use the NYX Epic Mousse Liner. To add some lashes so you can smoke out the waterline to make it more dramatic. I didn't, but that is the final look.
Obsession, obsession, obsession.